Suez Canal Authority to raise transit fee by 5% to 10% for tankers from March 1st. The Suez Canal Authority will increase toll for laden and ballast vessels transiting the key waterways by 5% to 10% from March 1st. The hike was made in line with the significant growth in the global trade, the improvement of ships' economics, Suez Canal waterways development and enhancement of transit service, the Suez Canal Authority said in a circular. Crude and refined products tankers will see 5% rise on normal transit dues, while LNG carriers will see 7% hike. The smaller size LPG and chemical tankers will see a 10% rise. A strategic route for the crude oil, petroleum products, and LNG shipments. The 120-mile canal connects the Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea and see more than 18,000 ships transit each. Before the pandemic hit, trade flows the canal transported some 5 million barrels per day and crude oil and oil products 31 million tons of LNG in 2019. Key crude producers such as Saudi Arabia, Russia, Iraq, and UAE, Kazakhstan, Norway, Kuwait, Libya, and Algeria rely on the Suez Canal to export their crude. Flow of petroleum products have also risen in recent years. Europe sends a sizable amount of naphtha to Asia every week. Large amount of shipments of jet fuel and diesel come from Asia and Middle East into Europe. America's biggest ports handled a record of 50.5 million shipping containers last year. With relentless shopping, unprecedented demand for goods, American consumers broke the supply chain in 2021, causing a surge of imports that flows into the nation's ports and resulted in logjams, delays, and shortages. In total, the nation's nine biggest ports handle a record of 50.5 million shipping containers as measured by the container volume of 16%, what shows pent by consumer demand and stimulates money were unlashed by the American shoppers. China ports container volume rise 1.6% in January of 2022. Ningbo containerized freight index decreases slightly in February 2022. In January of 2022, the cargo volume of Chinese ports was 1,301.1 million tons, a year-on-year increase of 0.6%. The container throughput in China's ports was 24.2 million TEUs, a year-on-year increase of 1.6%. Shippers stop booking cargo for Russia and Ukraine. Shipping lines have stopped booking exports cargo destined for Russia and Ukraine ports in wake up of conflict between the two countries, officials said. Crucial liners have also announced the cancellation of the port calls in Russia. Russia is the topmost destination for India's engineering exports in the Commonwealth of Independent States CIS region. Not only has actions by the shippers jeopardized exports which have been contracted but has also placed a question mark on future shipments. Many shipping liners stopped supplying containers and taking bookings from Russian ports. DP World reviewing operations in Russia, spokesperson said. Global port operator DP World said on Monday that it was reviewing its operations in Russia as the West imposes sanctions designed to squeeze Russia's economy after its invasion of Ukraine. The Dubai state-owned company said it would continue to operate in for a time being and declined to comment on the impact the sanctions would have on its business. The company's spokesperson added that the operations in Ukraine have temporarily been suspended given the present circumstances. DP World offers a acquire acquire 100% stake in Imperial successfully concluded. Imperial's capabilities in the market access and logistics and its extensive African and European footprints will complement and enhance our growth aspirations. TP World is a business that also focuses on empowering and employing local people in their countries and operations while delivering sustainable and inclusive growth. We look forward to welcoming Imperials to DP World family. Sultan Ahmad bin Sulemia, Group Chairman CEO of DP World said.